In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to recover your deleted TikTok messages. So to be able to recover your deleted TikTok messages, you're going to firstly open up your TikTok app here, as you can see, and then you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. And in here, we're just going to click on settings and privacy right here, as you can see, because then you should be taken here. Now in here, just click on account. So you should now be taken to this page. Now you're going to click on download your data here, as you can see. Just going to take us a couple of seconds to load. And in here where it says select data to download, just click here. Click on all data here actually, sorry. And then you're going to click on custom. And in here, you're just going to actually include messages right here because that is the only thing that we need to get. So you will be able to get your direct messages that you've sent and received. So you will be able to get history of that, if that makes sense. Then click on done. And then you're going to click on request data, as you can see. So as you can see, your data request is being processed, and this can take a couple of minutes, as you can see. And now when it's done, you can just click on download right here, and you will be able to get your data for your messages, what you have sent and what you have received. And that is basically exactly how to actually do this.